On Friday, the Large Hadron Collider accelerator teams declared stable beams for the first time in 2023. A quick recap. The Large Hadron Collider is a 27-kilometer long or 16-mile long particle accelerator underneath France and Switzerland in Europe. And it collides either protons or heavy ions, usually lead, together at very high energies in order to understand the building blocks of our universe. When stable beams are declared for the Large Hadron Collider, it means that the accelerator teams that are operating the LHC have successfully prepared and stabilized the beams that are going in opposite directions around the accelerator. At this point, the beams have reached the desired energy and intensity, and it means that the conditions are optimal for collisions in the LHC's four main experiments: ATLAS, LHCb, ALICE, and CMS. Reaching stable beams is a significant milestone in the LHC operations, and it requires a number of steps. They have to feed in the protons, in this case, from the initial source. They have to be accelerated through a chain of accelerators. The magnets have to be ramped up so that we reach the desired energy in the Large Hadron Collider, and everything needs to be optimized for those collisions I just mentioned. And for particle physicists like me, this is what we need in order to start taking data again and to understand our universe on the smallest scales. If you want to know more about particle physics, accelerators, and what's going on at CERN, well, you know where to find me. See you in the next video.